QuickBooks Tutorial for Beginners. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Go to your browser and search for quickbooks.intuit.com/global/tag in the search bar. Once you reach the page, look at the top right corner and click the Login button. From a drop-down menu that appears, select the QuickBooks Online option to proceed. At this stage, you need to log into your account, or if you do not already have one, select the Create an Account option to create one first. After this, you will be asked to choose your plan, and you can click the Start a free 30-day trial to continue. Next, enter your email, first name, last name, and password. Then click the Start your free 30-day trial button to move forward. Once that is complete, click the Get Started button, enter your company name, and continue by answering all the required information. When you reach the invoice section, you can also skip any steps that are being asked. After everything has been set up, click the Let's Go button, and you will be directed to the home page. From there, click the New button in the top left corner to start creating whatever you want.